का जो काम है वो जब आप उनके साथ काम करते हो आप भी बेटर हो जाते हो. एंड इफ यू वर्क विद talents like Alia or Mr. Bachchan or Nam sir and all the brilliant actors that have been on this film, I think it's so contagious, you know. It's and you get to learn so much from them. You get to better yourself. You get you क्योंकि मैं खुद अग्नि अस्त्र हूँ तो मैं अग्नि अस्त्र बोलूँगा.
रणवीर जी आप
इनको जवाब देंगे.
Apart from the Agni Astra, Pavan Astra is my favorite Astra. Also क्योंकि तेंजिंग ने मेरी जान बचाई फिल्म में और मुझे उड़ने का बहुत शौक है तो पवन अस्त्र. बुराई ऐसे करते नहीं है लाइफ में बट हम रणबीर के सामने कुछ भी नेगेटिव नहीं बोल सकते कि हम सबको पता है. So yeah, the life concept.
Thank you so much. And Ayan, the movie was an experience in itself. I saw first day last show, but yeah, it was great.
I first time watched it.
एक कनेक्शन हमारे बीच में मेरे से थोड़ी छोटी है उम्र में, but we went to the same school. The school called Jamnabai Nursery School, and Jamnabai is a Gujarati school. Basically, everybody, all our friends, both me and Alia, everybody Gujarati was a language in our school. Everybody spoke Gujarati. Our friends were all Gujarati. So during Navratri, we used to have dandiyas in school. Okay, so we from childhood been feeling that Navratri flavor, and also Navratri ke last 5 days is for the Bengali community their Durga Puja, which is a very very big thing. Abhi maine kaha hamari family mein. So definitely that is a very special time for me personally. And this year Brahmastra will still be in the cinemas. So my wish on Navratri is that everybody goes and watches Brahmastra for the 3rd and 4th time. I'm going to say the story of all the Astras, but basically the fact that when we use the word Astra, we are touching upon a place which is very connected with our own ancient Indian roots. That Indian roots, Indian culture, भारत की पौराणिक कथाएं, हमारी संस्कृति, वो जो प्रेरणा है फिल्म में, I really hope and pray and I believe that is the thing that has also brought a lot of people to the cinema and will keep Brahmastra going. Blessing from Shivji that I got the idea for Astraverse and Brahmastra. Really, मैं आपको idea मतलब मैं answer करने की कोशिश करूँगा. But the real truth is how ideas come to us, how we decide to follow them. ये इतनी subtle और इतनी fine बात होती है कि even I cannot fully explain it, you know. But I'll do my best to answer your question. I think 2 things थे. मुझे बड़ी फिल्में, fantasy films with lot of visual effects, action, जिस तरीके से शायद हॉलीवुड में कुछ बड़ी फिल्में बन रही थी जो जहाँ पे वो उनकी कहानियों को बड़े पर्दे पर ला रहे थे. I definitely felt that this was an important step to take in general for Indian cinema. कि एक दुर्गा माँ का विसर्जन निकल रहा है और वहाँ पे राम भगवान का Ravan burning is also going on. I hope you all enjoyed that scene.
And
You know,
it has been blessed to Alia, the film. Isn't it?
Actually अगर आप म्यूजिक की भी सुनोगे ना लिरिक्स के बगैर तो रस्या is actually the love theme for Shiva and Isha as well. So definitely we will be releasing it soon.
मुझे गुजराती तो नहीं आती, मुझे सूचे आती है. और
सूचे केम छो मजा में ऐसा भी बोल दो.
बट ये कहूँगा कि जैसे आयान भी कह रहा था कि हिंदी फिल्मों के लिए गुजरात बहुत ही एक अहम स्टेट है. इट गिव्स सो मच ऑफ लव, सो मच ऑफ सपोर्ट टू हिंदी फिल्म्स, टू एंटरटेनमेंट, टू कल्चर. तो यहाँ आना हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था. एंड टू सी दिस अमाउंट ऑफ लव, दिस अमाउंट ऑफ केयर एंड सपोर्ट फॉर आवर फिल्म ब्रह्मास्त्र, बहुत खुशी होती है.
I feel कि ये जो VFX हमने अचीव किया है from a team which is working completely in India, made in India, this kind of visual, I feel with lot of humility, I feel very proud कि हम ये achieve कर पाए हैं. And I really believe that it is a very important step forward for us technically as a Hindi movie, as an Indian film industry.